What's good, guys? Today is a really good day. It's a banger. Got some profits finally, and I passed my previous record of 165 by a mile. Let me just say that. So I hope you guys enjoy, like this video, subscribe, comment something down if you got anything from this video, and I'll catch y'all later. Not an invalid entry. It was a very good entry right here, but price decided to fake us out. If price was to push past that black line, I would have believed that price was going to switch and have a reversal. But in the meantime, price looks like it wants to continue going down. I actually took out my stop loss around here, I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check. I literally got it out right there, practically saving 3.5. So I saved 3.5 pips instead of having 10 pips. And guys, we honestly almost fell for this here, right here. You know, when I was looking at the charts, this was looking very attractive to hop in because it would make sense because price got the liquidity and it's just pushing to the upside. Here is also looking really good. I don't know why price is rejecting so fast, so soon. There's still not 2 more minutes, so I want to see what happens here. But here could be very much another good entry. But honestly, we're gonna wait for prices to get hit because I think this is all just a fasus. I don't know what fasus means, but I feel like it's fake, right? It's all trying to mess with you. It's all just trying to trick you into hopping in. So I'm not gonna hop in until it either touches the monthly open price or the other monthly open price, which is also closer to the liquidity area as well. It'll be 2 good areas to actually hop in for a buy because we're planning to go for a buy, guys, as we can see on the higher time frame, right? The higher time frame. So guys, what we see here is price is coming down on the higher time frame. It was originally a retracement. Now it's just a downtrend because of what it did here, break of structure. But there's no retracement and it's also touching a support area. So we can say this is a highly likely area of price to actually switch. So what we're actually going to be seeing here is we want price to essentially, if price does push it up here. I know, guys, I may be saying some bullshit, but price is looking too close that all it has to do is break the top here. If you guys understand what I'm trying to say, is that we're just waiting on price to literally either break this previous lower high, so called it just made, and it looks like price may be breaking it right here, just depending on what it does. Right now, price did a huge wick for really no reason at all, but it's understandable that price would shoot to the upside around here. I completely understand it. You could actually wait for the new 4-hour candle, which is honestly better as well. So right here, guys, we may just take a buy, but we need some valid entries. And why? Nah, I wasn't close enough. We're not entering here, guys. If I do happen to miss this, it didn't go with my strategy, so it's just a miss to happen. It'd just be a bit annoying, but I don't think price is going to do anything here, even though it had a huge rejection to the upside as well. I don't think price is going to do anything, so we're just going to hold, guys. We're going to follow our strat. Price is currently ranging right now in London session. You can see clearly here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So this is what we want when as soon as it hits New York, it comes down, grabs liquidity, push it to the upside. And the reason why this makes it such a higher probability setup is because there is a monthly open price here while liquidity is being grabbed. I'm actually really happy I didn't enter in this because I was actually so tempted to enter in right here because price literally did the huge rejection, a lot of momentum to the upside right here, then started being slow down a bit here and then sped up, and I saw this whole process. I decided not to look at the charts because it would just make me really want to hop in. So right now, what I can clearly see here, what price is doing, is that I'm not too sure how to draw a correct range box. These are the multiple ways that I can see the range develop, which is 1, get it from the top here to here. 2, get it from here to up. Sorry, get it from the top here to here. And 3, top here to top here. And I can just explain all 3 of them and how it all makes sense. Let's just start with the first one. First is this, right? First, it looks like price literally grabbed liquidity from both sides. Down here first, and then came up, grabbed liquidity up here again, came up here, grabbed liquidity again up here. Now price is just kind of ranging. It doesn't really have a direction that it wants to go in because it's already grabbed liquidity from both sides. If we were to have more of a buyer's point of view, which I do, is that we go from the top here, the bottom right here, and we can see that price has only grabbed liquidity from the top end. So price needs to get at least from the bottom end here. And when price grabs it from the bottom end here, probably in New York session, which is looking like it's about to happen, we buy it and we buy it up. And the third and last way I can see how this range has formed is when price is literally formed like this. And in the end, it is more of you can see this is more of a seller's point of view, so to speak, but it is also a buyer's. But yeah, that price has still not collected liquidity from down here, but price has hit liquidity from up here once. Even from going from the previous low to the previous high. Price still grabbed liquidity from the top, and it hasn't actually came back to grab liquidity from the bottom. So we can see it in those few ways. I still believe price is going to go to the upside, but all this is really painting for it to possibly go down, as it is in a downtrend, but it's literally stopped its flow of going down. So I'll show you how price was moving before. Price was moving before exactly like this. News happened, disrupted it a bit. Price came down, you know, up, down, very smooth to the downside. Kind of broke structure a bit here, but didn't make a higher high here, so to speak. So price just came back down, and this is where price broke structures completely. What we think price is going to do is price is going to come up, probably here, push off, or either come up here, down, here, up, right? Or just something like this, right? We're more of a buy. So the fact that we can see this just slowing down and just consolidating in this area shows that the momentum to the downside has slowed down a lot, and New York can either carry that downwards or it can reject it and push to the upside, which we're hoping for. But that's really it. Now we're just gonna wait and be patient till New York comes in and just see what happens. Yo guys, you can currently see price is literally consolidating in the New York session, the purple area right here. We can currently see price literally pushing down here, and now it's grab liquidity. We're expecting price to push it to the upside now, but we can also see price going another way, where price comes here, grabs liquidity, and also respects the monthly open price area and literally just shoots with momentum to the upside. If price does none of these options, price is probably going to continue going down, but we expect price to push up and probably switch direction, or just range, or just retrace. Either way, we're expecting price to come up, and that's what we're waiting on. Price did it before yesterday. It's just that this trade I missed out on, but I got the wrong timing, but I understood why it pushed off, because it hit the monthly open price. So price can be expected to push down here, but we also expect price to push to the upside. And how we make this more valid, if price essentially pushes down a bit more and the next candle is the one that pushes it upward. Yeah, well, we do expect price to literally push to the upside right now. So we may be taking a buy very soon, and I'll let you guys know when that happens. Currently see we entered in here, the slippage, all that extra bullshit placed us a bit above. Really weird thing about this is that we entered in and I was thinking price was going to push to the upside, but price literally came back down. Could be making a long look to the upside, which it currently is doing, meaning I could have had a way better entry down here. It is unfortunate, but we're just gonna keep learning, keep improving. But this is where we entered in, guys. Now we're just gonna hold and see what happens. When price makes a higher high here, it's looking pretty all green for us, and that's really it. I'm actually gonna put my thoughts in the chat. I don't really care, I just say what it is. We are possibly thinking of, guys, are you currently seeing this right now? We had a beautiful entry. We're actually very patient through this whole storm of crazy shit, and now we just think price is going to push up from here, but price can still do whatever it wants to do. Original stop loss. If you guys don't know what I'm doing here, I keep my original stop loss here, so when I look on trading view, I can see how much I've brought my stop loss in from. So when price, let's just say, hits my stop loss, which I'm technically cutting my loss, I want to see if price is going to hit my original stop loss, which if it does, it means I saved, and if it doesn't, it means I missed an opportunity, which is unfortunate. Also guys, we currently moved this probably to 8.5. Bringing my chair in because price is actually looking beautiful right now. Damn, am I learning or some shit? Like, why the fuck is price moving so up? I'm not going to say how much money it is, but I'm guessing right now it's probably at 100. At 100. We're at 100 in profit right now. Price just shot up like a crazy motherfucker. But remember guys, we expected price to form a range. New York goes below, grabs liquidity and pushes to the upside. Let's see if price continues that all the way to here. We are currently aiming for a 1-6. We may actually hold this with a trailing stop loss, as price can go even further. With this momentum, it's absolutely crazy, so I'm actually watching out for a fake out, which it currently looks like it possibly can do. We have 1 more minute now, and I don't think price is going to push all the way down. It's too late for that. I think price is going to continue going up from now. I have pretty much confidence in this. If price doesn't, it's tough. You know, we took an L. It is what it is, but we can currently see right now that price actually broke structure. You can see here, price broke that structure right here. I'm actually going to turn this to black with the opacity a bit higher. You can currently see right here, price broke structure. We expect price to push to the upside from here, just from how it's looking. Even though price is going to push down now, it's going to push down for the minute, push up for the rest. We don't want price pushing so fast down so quickly. We just want price to push down just to currently, you know, push down now, push up later. But that was a lot of force right now in the New York. Price can still just disrespect the area and push down. We do have to be very careful about that. But multiple confluences are right now as we speak. So I think we actually hopped in a very good area. You just now, the whole mission right now for what we're in is to keep our sanity and remain zen. To remain zen is our next priority. We got in the trade now. Now we have to make sure that we stay in the trade, or as our strategy says, we don't just pop out because we think price is going to go down. But we stay in until our confluences conclude that price is going to go down. That is our next thing. We're in this trade. Don't mind how this is moving right now. I do expect price to come back for at least a little retracement, like a up. I want a more clear break of structure. come back down here, and then from here, probably push to the upside. It may come back a bit lower, like here. No, not much further than here, because that's a bit weird, but here, and then pushes up. So that's what we're expecting, guys. We're expecting price to still come back for a pullback, then push to the upside. But we like how price is breaking structure right now with a lot of momentum. So right now, it literally disrespected price. We want price to push a bit more further to make that clear, state that out in the open. But right now, we're in really good entry. Now we just expect the price just to break through, come back down, back for a retest, so to speak, and then push up. Price can do two things right now. Price can go like this, up here, down, up, right? And then it's gonna have problems here. But if it has no problems here and breaks through, absolutely beautiful. If price decides to push up here, come down here, push up here, it is a bit weird when I think about it, but price can literally just do this, right? So I do think price is gonna come back for a pullback. I also have to do that just for my mentality. If I don't, then I'm just gonna think price is gonna go against me type shit. So yeah, that's really what we're gonna do. But we love how price is pushing off right now. There is news, or no news. There's only news at 12:30, which is crude oil inventories. Not too bad of a influence, but there is massive news right here, which price does not look so great. But we're probably gonna hop out before this, because fuck that. This is looking very nice. Now, like I said, we expected price to come down, at least here to the upside, push up. To be more specific, in this area. Yep, in this area, or probably down here. We don't expect price to go down too much, but if it does, it's all right. We're gonna let it go, and we're just gonna take notes. But that's what we expect price to do right now. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in probably a minute and just see what happens. 20 minutes. Price did perfectly what I wanted to do. Came here, pushed up, and now price is having a bit of technical difficulty. So what we're thinking price is gonna do here is either push up straight away, possibly come down to here, push up, lastly come here, push up, and if price decides to continue pushing down like this, we may just take out once price goes here. But yeah, right now we are expecting price to reverse from now. Obviously it doesn't want to, but yeah, we expect price to reverse from now. I like how it literally touched the outside box. It's having a bit of rejection problems. Push to the upside, that's what I'm still thinking. And now I'm just gonna hold and wait for price just to really just push up, continue pushing up. But we love how price, like what price is doing right now. It's all understandable. We just wish price would have continued with this momentum, just didn't have enough. But now we like how price is doing. We want price to break through here. Price keeps diddling along, then I'm probably gonna maybe take out, but I wouldn't say so, because price still had that momentum push and still didn't come back down, take liquidity, because it already did. So I still think price is gonna push up. Guys, as we can see here, it's now a 3 pip stop loss, and now we're in a situation where I was talking about previously how price got to reverse this boss now. Let's see what's gonna happen here. What we want price to do is just fucking annihilate it. Just go up, go crazy up, and then like this. We want price to continue going up. We do expect price to go here, but now the momentum from price right here, we expect price to actually just continue going up all the way up. Probably at 4 o'clock we'll take out. We usually take out at 5, and we have 4 hours left. So we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. We don't like that huge rejection from retracement. Like I said, guys, that's a boss, but I do still think price is gonna break through. I do not like that huge wick. We want price to at least close maybe here, because if it closes here, it just looks less like it was affected. Let's see the 1 minute. Okay, it's not too bad. It's still going up. I'm gonna put an alarm right here just to tell me if price is gonna break structure on the 1 minute, and let's see the 5 minute. Yeah, just 1 minute right here. But right now, price is actually just looking absolutely incredible. So we're doing pretty good, guys. I'll put another alarm probably right here. Yeah, currently holding this up, guys. We just have to manage the trade to the upside, and let's just see what happens. Guys, we finally did it. We finally finished this, and we got a 1 to 3. We held this for about 9 hours and 55 minutes, which doesn't even feel like it was that long, but it was that long. 9 hours, 55 minutes, 1 to 3 on GU. You know how I do, and I'm gonna tell you right now, from that 1 to 3, we literally made $405. We completely smashed our previous take profit. Max, I am at peace. Held this through thick and thin. I missed my previous 1 to 5. Now I got this 1 to 3, so I'm happy. Anyway, guys, I hope you'll enjoy. Catch you all another time.